Okay guys, I just moved my laundry up to my tumble dryer and I filled it up like I always do. Just close the door and this is what came out. Shouting E90 problem. Without knowing exactly what it is, I take out this filter unit here and I'm checking it. Now I wanted to share this with you because I've already been in here and it was half full. Now I removed half of it. But since I'm going to use the machine right now, I don't want to completely immerse this in water and clean it up, because then I will have to wait for the whole filter to dry. So that's the first part that we have there. I'm keeping it dry, and then we have the second part here. We'll see what that one looks like, and it has some dust in it as well. Now when you do this, it's always good if you have a little bit of liquid or your damp fingers, because that way you can collect your dust fibers from your cloth more easily. So that's it. Reasonably well fixed. Goes, well, we're gonna look down in there as well. There's maybe a little bit down there as well. I'm gonna wipe off what I can down there, and for that I'm going to use one of these micro cloths. See here, I'm just sticking it down with my hand. See what we get up. Looks like there's something. Do it one more time, and this is to get out any lints that has been passing the filters. I have this Bosch Series 6 self-cleaning condenser. Very well functioning tumble dryer. Close that one, and this one goes in there. Let's see if this sorted out the problem. I'll turn off the machine again. I turn it on hot. You heard the click sounds. This was the click sounds, and now it works. Last time it was the click sounds and it was E90. So E90 must mean clean the filters. Cheers guys.